Hope you are taking good care of your health. Good. Are you done with your homework I have given you in the previous session? Great. Keep it up, students. So, children, today we will read lesson 15, Yes We Can, part 2 of your English Rainbow book of class 6th. Learning outcome. Children, you will be able to communicate in English and will read the dialects with proper understanding. Before proceeding, I will ask few questions. What game do you like the most? As far as I am concerned, I like playing chess. So you must also be playing kabaddi, kho-kho, cricket, sometimes football also, and many more games are there. Children, have you noticed when you participate in any competition and if you give your 100% and with vigor and enthusiasm, and if you win the game, you feel very contented, but at the same time sometimes it happens you are giving your best but you lose the game. So children, we should not dishearten ourselves because winning is as important as participating. We learn while losing also. So children, let us start the session. Thought of the day. Today's thought of the day is where there is a will, there is a way. जहां चाहा वहां रहा. ये हमारे लेसन जो हमने अभी जिसका हमने एक पार्ट पहले पढ़ा है और आज हम कंप्लीट करेंगे, उसका भी यही मैसेज है, जहां चाहा वहां रहा. आपने एक छोटी कहानी सुन रखी होगी, बचपन में सुनी होगी, थर्स्टी क्रो की कहानी. देयर वाज अ थर्स्टी क्रो ऑन अ हॉट डे. ही वेंट हियर एंड देयर इन सर्च ऑफ वाटर बट ही कुड नॉट फाइंड वाटर. What happens? Then he saw a pitcher lying in a ground, but the water level was very low. What he did, being clever, he picked the pebbles and dropped it into the pitcher. Then water rose up and he drank and flew away. तो बच्चों, आपको पता है कहानी क्या थी? एक कौवा प्यासा था, घड़े में पानी थोड़ा था. कौवा लाया कंकर, उसने डाले कंकर, कौवे ने पिया पानी, खत्म हुई कहानी. तो बच्चों, अब आप समझते हैं जब एक कौवा जब वो चाहना कर सकता है किसी चीज की और उसे पा सकता है, तो हम तो ह्यूमन बीइंग है. व्हेन वी वांट टू डू अचीव समथिंग, वी कैन अचीव इट रिगार्डलेस ऑफ द ऑब्स्टेकल्स. सो नेक्स्ट इज गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स? व्हेन इट इन्वॉल्व्स more than one person, it is called games. When it only involves individual skill, okay children, so then it is called sports. So let us recall the few of the games and sports. What is this? This is cricket. You know, you must be playing with the bat and ball. This is cricket. This is football. This is cycling. Do you do cycling? That's good. This is ice skating. We do it on the ice only. This is weightlifting. This is tennis, when we play the racket with the ball. This is tennis. This is swimming. This is running. I think everybody must have done running, na? So these are the games and sports. Why we should play games and sports? What are the value games and sports give us in our life? They create a sense of friendliness. They create a sense of challenging spirit, right? Team spirit they develop honesty, hard working and many more ideas. So children, हमें गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स खेलना चाहिए क्योंकि ये हमारे जीवन में हमें पता भी नहीं चलता और हमारे अंदर बहुत सारे गुणों को उजागर कर देते हैं. सो लेट अस रिकैपिचुलेट द प्रीवियस सेशन. बच्चों, आपने अभी तक मैंने जो पिछले सेशन में आपको बताया था उसमें हमने हाफ ही कंटेंट को हमने कल क्लियर किया था. अब हम इसको एक बार रिकैपिचुलेट करेंगे. यू नो द पिक्चर, वीना एंड चालू बोथ आर गुड फ्रेंड्स. दे आर सिटिंग इन अ प्लेग्राउंड where the sports rally is going to getting organized. So bachcho, why Shalu is looking upset? Because she had a leg injury and she is thinking that she must not be able to participate in the sports rally because of the leg injury. But Veena is trying to console. In last session what we have learned कि वीना ने उसे बताया था अरुणिमा सिन्हा की कहानी, who have been thrown by the robbers from a running train. जिसे रनिंग ट्रेन से गिरा दिया गया था, रॉबर्स ने धक्का दे दिया गया था और उसको उसकी एक टांग काटनी पड़ी थी. Beside that, she went on to the peaks of the mountains and made us proud. So अब अरुणिमा की कहानी अभी तक यहाँ पर वीना ने शालू को बताई है. शालू इज गुड एट रेसिंग, इसीलिए वो परेशान है कि वो शायद नहीं दौड़ पाएगी. बट अब देखते हैं आगे वीना ने जब कहानी सुनाई है तो क्या असर होता है. तो पहले हम थोड़ा सा एक बार आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन करके पुराने जो हमारे लेसन में थे वो हम रिवाइज करते हैं. Which event was going to be held in the school? कौन सी इवेंट थी? स्पोर्ट्स रैली. You can see very well, sports rally. Why both were excited? Both were excited to take part in a sports rally. Why was Shalu upset? Shalu was upset because she had a leg injury. Who inspired Shalu? Shalu को किसने इंस्पायर किया to take part in the sports rally and how? किस तरह से? Veena inspired Shalu to take part in the sports rally by telling her the inspirational stories of courageous माने साहसी and confident people, confident आत्मविश्वासी लोगों की कहानियां सुना के वीना ने उन्हें encourage किया. So children, अभी तक हमने जहां तक कहानी पढ़ी है आपको रिवाइज हो चुका होगा. Now let us read out the lesson. I will do the loud reading for you. You will take care of the pronunciation. Okay, then I will let you know the new words which have been underlined for you by me. So we will recollect them, and after that I will tell you line by line Hindi meaning. Clear? So let us begin the session of our lesson 15. Yes, we can part 2. So Shalu, please check the dialogue delivery also, how I am delivering the dialogues. Shalu, wonderful, this should be the spirit. Veena, not only she but Bharat Kumar, a para swimmer, Sudha Chandran, Bharatnatyam dancer, also became famous in their fields in spite of their disabilities. Shalu, they are really very courageous and confident people. Veena, yes, you should take inspiration from them. You are good at sports. All you need is to boost your confidence. Confidence मतलब अपने आत्मविश्वास को boost माने बढ़ावा देने की जरूरत है. चलिए, now we will do the words, new words came into this slide. Wonderful. Just please check the spelling. WONDERFUL. Wonderful. Spirit. 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 Para swimmer. PARA. Para. SWIMMER. Swimmer. Bharatnatyam. 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 Famous. 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 In spite of. INSPITE of. OF. In spite of. Disabilities. Please check the spelling. DISABILITIES. Disabilities. Courageous. Spelling COURAGE. Courageous. OUS. Confident. CONFIDENT. People. PEOPLE. Inspiration. 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 Boost. 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 Confidence. 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 So let me do the line by line Hindi meaning of this. What did Shalu say? Shalu, अद्भुत, यही स्पिरिट होनी चाहिए. This should be the spirit. Children, this is a phrase. This is to tell someone, to encourage someone. This is used only when. Veena, not only she but Bharat Kumar. नहीं, केवल वही नहीं परंतु भरत कुमार, सुधा चंद्रन. भरत कुमार कौन थे? पैरा तैराक थे और सुधा चंद्रन हमारी भरतनाट्यम डांसर थी. वो भी अपने क्षेत्रों में डिसाइड, इन स्पाइट ऑफ, अपनी विकलांगता के बावजूद भी अपने क्षेत्रों में उन्होंने प्रसिद्धि पाई. फेमस मतलब प्रसिद्ध हुए. शालू, दे आर रियली वेरी करेजियस एंड कॉन्फिडेंट पीपल. शालू क्या कह रही हैं? वो सच में बहुत साहसी और आत्मविश्वासी लोग हैं. वीना ने कहा, यस, तुम्हें भी उनसे इंस्पिरेशन, प्रोत्साहन लेना चाहिए. तुम भी खेलों में अच्छी हो, तुम्हें सिर्फ अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को बूस्ट मतलब बढ़ावा देने की आवश्यकता है. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट शालू इज सेइंग. अगेन आई विल डू अ लाउड रीडिंग. प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ द प्रोनाउंसिएशन. Shalu, you are right. Now I will participate and do my best. Veena, that's like my good friend. We all have some special qualities. We should have faith in ourselves. Shalu, definitely. I will work hard to give my best. Veena, so dear, always say I can, never say I can't. Shalu, I can do it. Veena, that is the spirit. So, where there is a will, there is a way. So, children, now let us recall the new words. P-A-R-T-I, participate, participate. Special, S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special. Qualities, Q-U-A-L-I-T-I-E-S, qualities. Should, S-H-O-U-L-D, should. Ourselves, O-U-R-S-E-L-V-E-C, ourselves. Definitely, D-E-F-I-N-I, definitely, T-E-L-Y, definitely. Always, A-L-W-A-Y-S, always. Spirit, S-P-I-R-I-T. Let me do the Hindi meaning for you. शालू, तुम ठीक कहती हो, अब मैं अच्छे से भाग लूंगी और अपना बेस्ट दूंगी. वीना, ये हुई ना मेरी अच्छी दोस्त वाली बात. हम सभी के अंदर कुछ खास गुण होते हैं और हमें अपने अंदर विश्वास रखना चाहिए. शालू, निश्चित तौर पर मैं भी पूरा अपना मेहनत करके अपना बेस्ट दूंगी. वीना, सो मेरी प्यारी सखी, हमेशा कहो मैं कर सकती हूँ, कभी मत कहो मैं नहीं कर सकती. शालू, आई कैन डू इट. शालू ने अब क्या कहा? शालू को अब प्रेरणा मिल गई, तो शालू बोल रही है कि यस, मैं कर सकती हूँ. वीना, दैट्स द स्पिरिट. ये हुई ना बात. तो अगेन द सेम फ्रेज हैज कम. ये दिस फ्रेज इज यूज्ड फॉर एनकरेजिंग समवन. दैट मीन्स दैट्स द वे, दैट्स द गुड थिंकिंग, यू आर डूइंग द राइट थिंग. इसका मतलब ये है. Where there is a will, there is a way. ये हमने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया था. ये जहां चाहा वहां रहा, ये हमारे लेसन का मैसेज है. दिस इज अ प्रोवर्ब. इसे यूज किया जाता है. इफ समवन वांट्स टू अकम्प्लिश समथिंग, ही कैन अचीव इट रिगार्डलेस ऑफ द ऑब्स्टेकल्स. सो लेट अस डू फ्यू वर्ड मीनिंग्स ऑल्सो. इंजर्ड, इंजर्ड मतलब चोटिल हुआ. कॉन्फिडेंट, आत्मविश्वासी. एम्प्यूटेटेड, अंग काट दिया. डिसेबिलिटी, विकलांगता. रॉबर, लुटेरे. इंस्पायर, प्रोत्साहित करना. सो चिल्ड्रन, what you have to do, you have to practice speaking them, then you have to write them, okay? And you have to give a good reading to lesson also. Clear? Let me move to the next slide. Let me see what is stored there. Oh, there is a poem. This poem you have read in your class 5th. The lesson name is Don't Give Up. So, are you ready with me to recite the poem? Come on. If you keep on going and never stop, if you keep on going and never stop, if you keep on going and never stop, you can keep on going, you can make it to the top. You can keep on going and you can make it to the top. So children, अगर आप सोच लेंगे कि मुझे ये काम करना है, तो आप उसके लिए पूरी मेहनत ईमानदारी से करेंगे, तो आप एक दिन टॉप पर पहुंच सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. हाउ डिड शालू फील एट द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी एंड व्हाट डिड शी से? शालू ने कहानी के आखिर में क्या सीखा और उसने क्या कहा? क्या कहा शालू ने? शालू को लगा अब मैं कर सकती हूँ, आई विल पार्टिसिपेट. सो लेट अस सी. At the end of the story, Shalu felt confident. उसके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया था. And said that she would participate and would do her best. What lesson do you learn from the story? आपने क्या सीखा? हमने क्या सीखा? Where there is a will, the lesson we learned from the story is where there is a will, there is a way. जब हम कोई चीज को पाना चाहते हैं, तो हम अगर उसे पूरी ईमानदारी से करते हैं, तो हम उसे पा सकते हैं. Let us understand few more stories about inspirational stories about सुधा चंद्रन, अरुणिमा सिन्हा एंड भरत कुमार. सो हमने अभी पढ़ा था सुधा चंद्रन, भरत कुमार और अरुणिमा सिन्हा के बारे में. सुधा चंद्रन जो है वो शी इज अ टीवी एक्ट्रेस. मे बी आपने उनको यू हैव मस्ट हैव सीन हर इन द सीरियल्स आल्सो. सुधा चंद्रन राइट फुट वाज एम्प्यूटेटेड. उनकी राइट फुट को काट दिया गया था आफ्टर शी मेट एन एक्सीडेंट. बट शी स्टिल केप्ट ऑन डूइंग भरतनाट्यम डांस. फिर भी उन्होंने भरतनाट्यम डांस करना नहीं छोड़ा. अरुणिमा सिन्हा, और उन्हें सुधा चंद्रन को शी गॉट द नेशनल बेस्ट फिल्म अवार्ड इन 1986 एंड कलर्ड पेटल्स अवार्ड एंड मेनी मोर टू हर क्रेडिट. So children, Arunima Sinha, what did she has done? So is an Indian mountain climber. She is the world's first female amputee to climb the world's highest peaks. तो बच्चों, she is the recipient of Padma Shri Award, Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award, Rani Lakshmibai Award, and many more awards. So Bharat Kumar, you can see Bharat Kumar, Arunima Sinha, and Sudha Chandran here in the picture. Bharat Kumar was born with one hand by birth, but still he won medals in para swimming. You know, children, you know, he was the son of a daily wage worker, but still he managed, and he has achieved not only in para swimming, he has won medals in shot put, 400-meter race, and he has 50 medals to his credit and 2 international titles. So children, we can get inspiration from our confident and courageous people like them. So now look at the picture and complete the sentences with can, can't and a verb. Now you have to see the picture, but you have to use can and can't and a verb. Verb means any action word. Where you get the clue, you will be getting the clue from this. The pictures shown on the slide. So number 1, he can't walk. One has been done for you. So he can't walk. You can very well see it. Next is number 2. Frog, what he is doing? He is jumping. It can jump. Next, what she is doing? She can ride. Next, is he able to swim? क्या वो तैर पा रहा है? नहीं. So he can't swim. हम लिखेंगे can't swim क्योंकि वो डूब रहा है. He is drowning. They can sing. Okay. She can play. Now let me have idea of from your side. Tell me what he is doing. What he cannot do? He can't see. And they can fly. Children, these are birds and they are more than one. So that's why we have used they also, and they are also singing. So they are also more than one. So that's why we have used here the word they. So complete the following words. So children, do you know spirit? Now we will fill up the blanks as we have to fill only vowels here. You know how many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. How many? 5, right? So first letter will be I. I will be filling I here because spirit, the word is spirit. Next is injury. You have you here. Boost, B-O-O-S-T. Famous, F-A-M-O-U-S. Famous. Last you have to guess it. Okay, C-L-I, climb, right? Climb means chadna. She climbed the mountain peaks. Now fill in the blanks from here. I can jump like a monkey or a cow. Monkey, who jumps? Monkey jumps. I can sing like a singer or bird. No, but they chirp. I can sing like a singer. So I will correct it and I will fill it. I can run like a dog or frog. I can run like a dog. Clear? I can't swim like a buffalo. Do buffalo swim? No, buffalo they can't swim. So who swim? Fish can swim. So but I can't I swim like a fish. I can't swim like a fish. I can't fly like a frog or kite. I can fly like a kite. Clear, children? So these are the fill in the blanks. You can check it in your exercise also given at the back of the lesson. So next is language practice. So here what we are going to do, we are going to frame question and answers, children. You know that. So how we will do it? We have been given 5 rows here. So first 4 rows will be framing a question, and the last row we will be using it for the answers. So children, for every time we will make a sentence, we will take one word from every table, right? So let us start. First I will tell you can your grandparents draw? Okay, it's a complete sentence. Now again, answer will be two. Maybe your grandparents may draw, your grandparents cannot draw. So yes, they can, no, they can. You can write the answer like this. Can your grandparents draw? Yes, they can, no, they can't. So for the same question, two answers will be there. Now, can my grandparents draw, dance? Dance कर सकते हैं. Again the same, we will making two question and but the question will be same, answers can be different. So can my grandparents draw? Yes, they can. Can my grandparents draw? No, they can't. Next is, can your grandparents dance? Yes, they can. And can your grandparents dance? No, they can't. So because there are more than one, so that's why again we are using they, not the she. In the word mother, we will be answering it in she. Now next move. Can your mother cook? How I have made? Can your mother cook? Yes, she can. No, she can't. So we have written yes, she can. Can your mother sing? We have made with the help of sing. You can make two same questions and two different answers always. So can your mother sing? No, maybe she can't sing, maybe she can sing. So yes, she can. We have given only this one. Again I have given the same answers. Can her mother cook? Yes, she can. Or can her mother sing? His mother sing? No, she can't. Home assignment. So children, now what you are going to do, make a list of what a young child can do as compared to her baby brother or sister. आप अपना कंपैरिजन में एक लिस्ट बनाएंगे जो आप कर सकते हैं और जो आपका बेबी ब्रदर नहीं कर सकता है. क्लियर? ही कैन क्रॉल ओनली, यू कैन वॉक, यू कैन रीड, ही कांट रीड, यू कैन राइट, ही कांट राइट. सो इस तरह से आपको एक लंबी सी लिस्ट बनानी है. नेक्स्ट व्हाट डू हैव टू डू? Make a list. Again you have to make a list what you can do and what you can't do. Now you have to compare yourself कि जो चीजें आप कर सकते हैं और जो नहीं कर सकते हैं वो आपने लिस्ट बनानी है. Write 3 answers for each question, like I can swim, I can't swim, I can cook. So this kind of list you have to make. Conclusion. Today we learned spirit of doing things, punctuation marks, inspirational stories of few personalities despite of their disabilities. हमने देखा, हमने चित्र देखे, हमने कहानी सुनी, हमने महसूस किया कि अगर हम कुछ पाना चाहते हैं तो हम उसे पा सकते हैं. सो बच्चों, प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, डू योर होमवर्क एंड think of positive things around you. So thank